Hi, my name is Daniel and I'm a Natural Resource Aide here at the South San Francisco Parks Department. I work here at Sign Hill on the Sign Hill Habitat Restoration Project. This is a project to remove invasive species, plant native plants, and improve habitat for the mission blue butterfly. While Sign Hill is most well known for its iconic letters spelling South San Francisco, the industrial city, it's a very special place for another reason. Sign Hill contains a large amount of native grassland habitat, which is increasingly rare and important for protecting natural biodiversity. Sign Hill is geologically and biologically connected to the larger nearby San Bruno Mountain, which supports many rare plants as well as 4 federally protected butterfly species. Sign Hill contains habitat for one of these butterflies, the mission blue. Other protected species, such as the Calliope silverspot, have been seen here in the past. Today, I'm going to take you on an exploratory nature walk of Sign Hill. Let's go check it out. The first plant I'm going to show you is called California soaproot. California soaproot grows from an underground bulb and has long, often wavy leaves. The underground bulb has a variety of uses and was used by both European settlers and Native Americans. When mixed with water, the bulb forms a lather that can be used like a kind of soap, hence the name of the plant. In addition, fibers from the bulb can be used to make small brushes, and toxins from the bulb are sometimes used to stun or kill fish for fishing. California soaproot is found all over Sign Hill and is a great California native. This tree behind me is called a coast live oak. The term live in the name comes from the fact that this is an evergreen oak, which keeps its leaves all year long. The coast live oak can grow from 10 to 25 meters tall. It has dark green oval leaves with teeth along the edges and tufts of hairs along the veins of the leaf. The coast live oak can live for over 250 years and provides food and habitat for hundreds of species of birds, insects, fungi, and other wildlife. The acorns of the coast live oak were a dietary staple to Native Americans, who often ground the acorns into a flour and then leached out toxic compounds called tannins using water. This plant is called hummingbird sage. Hummingbird sage has oppositely arranged leaves, a square stem, and a fragrant smell. All of these traits are characteristic of the mint family, which hummingbird sage is a part of. As the name suggests, these flowers are pollinated by hummingbirds. Even if you didn't know this was hummingbird sage, there are several hints that hummingbirds love this flower. Shape and color are both important characteristics that can tell you what kind of pollinators like a certain flower. Hummingbirds' beaks reach easily into these long, tubular flowers, while bees and other insects have a much harder time reaching the deeply hidden nectar. Birds are particularly attracted to the red color of the flowers, which is not as visible to many insects. This is the coast iris. In the 1930s, coast iris covered Sign Hill, turning the entire hillside purple in spring. Coast iris was so numerous that children would cut and sell the flowers. Although it is still found on Sign Hill, coast iris is threatened by invasive weeds, trampling, and flower picking. It is now listed in California Native Plant Society's inventory of rare and endangered plants. Fun fact, the iconic coast iris flower is featured in the South San Francisco Parks Department logo. This is a silver lupin. Lupins are the host plant of the mission blue butterfly. Many butterflies and other insects develop a special relationship with a particular plant or small group of plants, known as host plants. Mission blue butterflies rely on 3 species of lupin: the silver lupin, summer lupin, and varied lupin. During summer months, adult mission blues lay eggs on lupin leaves and stems. The egg hatches, the caterpillar feeds, and crawls into the soil at the base of the plant, where it enters a dormant state called diapause. In late winter to early spring,
caterpillars emerge from the soil and begin feeding again. They continue to grow and develop, eventually pupating and forming a casing called a chrysalis. From approximately March to July, adult butterflies emerge, feeding on nectar, mating, and laying eggs. By late summer, adult butterflies complete their life cycle and die, as young caterpillars hatch and begin to feed, starting the cycle over again.
Mission blue butterflies are an endangered species and are protected federally by the Endangered Species Act. They are small blue butterflies that have blackish wing edges. The underside of the wings are pale with 2 rows of black spots. Adult males have blue wings, while females are brown with some blue. In 2012, the mission blue became the official butterfly of South San Francisco.
Thanks for joining me today on this exploratory walk of Sign Hill. And remember, if you do visit Sign Hill, do your part to protect the mission blue butterfly and sensitive habitat by staying on trails and keeping your pets on a leash. If you have questions or you'd like to find out more about the Sign Hill Habitat Restoration Project, please email emma.lewis@ssf.net. Thank you. Have a great rest of your day, and I hope to see you soon.